everyone, I wanted to give you a quick update. First of all, we had a thunderstorm last night, so we got a little pooling water here again. I wanted to point out these bags to you. Those bags came from this first bay over here. Bob and I swept this out thoroughly yesterday and bagged all that sort of stuff there in an extra bag. And then we moved, or I moved over, well, we started together and I just finished it up. But we moved over these vacuum cleaners. I count 17 of them. We got 3 lawnmowers for parts, 2 gas blowers. Got this Sunbeam twin blade, which I'll probably just sell as is because I think it's kind of rare. Snow blower for parts, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dishwashers for parts. So now let me just take you over here. Trying my best to get this place cleaned up, and we're getting there, but it's sometimes you feel like you're making more of a mess when you're doing this. So this is the kind of stuff that we swept up yesterday and put in the bags. So this is our next bay. We're going to get this one done, and then we're going to work on this next one here. You can see the storm played havoc on my tarp. For the most part, it's up, but yeah, it did lose some of the holes on it, so I'm going to have to refasten that. I've got some washers and some screws. But that's where we're at right now. But I feel really good about having all that kind of organized together. And so soon, hopefully by the end of this weekend, this middle bay will be cleaned out. We're going to move all the blow molds over, clean out that area, and then once we have all that done, we're going to have our garage sale. So that is the short-term plan. I think it's coming together pretty good, little by little. Well, good morning, everyone. How are you doing out there today? I am doing great. It's finally a beautiful day without rain, even though it was supposed to rain this morning. And Bob and I are going to head on over to the Geneseo, town of Geneseo. Their citywide garage sales are today. So let's get to it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it, Bobby.
Yes, do it. It's not time. A beautiful day. Yes.
7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you, guys. I'm trouble making change already.
I thought the boots were 3.
Oh, okay, yeah. They, so 50 cents. Well, I told you guys the shoes at half price. Oh.
Okay,
So-
those were 3.
Those were
$1.50, $3.50.
Two, so it's 750.
Bob, there's nothing on this table for you.
Where are we good?
See that.
I'm good.
But,
You gave me 10.
well, I mean,
Huh?
Okay, 10.
but,
Those are fine.
But, yeah,
Okay,
right?
50, so 250 back.
Okay.
Surprised you didn't get these for Kara.
Yes.
$10. And
Oh, like 10. I thought it was for $1. 10, 2 for 10, huh?
2 is
Yeah.
5.
Ouch.
Love, love, love it. And your shoes. Do you need a sack or anything? You just need him to carry them here.
Thanks.
Thank you.
The X-Wing Fighter. This is from 1978. This is the same one I had when I was a kid. Not in the best shape, but it was only $1. So I'll put up on the screen here what I think I can sell it for. But kind of neat to see one of these old pieces at a garage sale. What'd you buy?
a DeWalt drill.
Like you don't have enough DeWalt drills at the property? You got a battery in there though? 2 batteries. Wow.
Battery charger. Brand new.
Wow. $15?
Yep.
Holy crap, that's a good deal. Especially if those are the batteries we need to test out the other.
That's why I bought it.
You're a smart man.
That's why I bought it.
Wow. That's
Charger,
really
yeah.
a good deal.
He said it never been used.
Wow.
So he bought a bigger volt battery.
What volt is that, 12?
Yeah, it's 12.
Yeah.
The hell. Can't beat it. $15.
It's a good deal. Okay, everyone, it's getting dark outside. The rain is coming, but I wanted to show you this. They were asking $5 for the box. Of course, I tell Bob, ask him for $2.50. He asks him for $2. He gets it for $2. So we spent $2 on that, and I spent $1 on this gauge. And I love this gauge because you can tell it's got, I think, probably oil in it. But the fact that it's brass, it's got that really old patina looking to it. For me on eBay, this would be $15 all day long, maybe even more. You put the word steampunk on there. This could be a part of somebody's costume or prop they're building. This is going to go very quickly, I guarantee. Now, the reason I wanted this box is, first of all, there's a Polaroid camera there. That's always an easy sell. and there's another one in here with wood grain. So those are both really easy sells, but what really grabbed my attention was this right here, right there, Polaroid 600 platinum film, still in the original box. That is $15 all day long by itself. So really a really good purchase. Looks like there's some ink in there we could sell if we had to, but I'm pretty stoked about that. Oh, here comes the guy that's paying the bills.
You like what I bought, do you?
I do.
Huh?
Good job today, buddy. All right, guys. So we're out here garage sailing today and finding lots and lots of piles of stuff. Did you find a whole new light fixture? Holy crap, that's awesome. Perfect. So far we've got safety gates, electrometer, storm window, old KitchenAid mixer, a Keurig. Look at this guy. Here, let me carry it. Look at this guy. Very nice.
Ooh, saw too, man.
A saw too? Sweet. Holy cow, chop saw. It's a Ridgid chop saw too.
Huh?
That's a really expensive brand. Unreal. Ridgid chop saw, everybody. That's crazy. We got gammon drum sets, huh? Gammon precision. Don't know anything about drums. So I don't know anything about drums. That's got some weight to it. Jeez. Good.
Bowling ball.
Another bowling ball, huh? We'd have to cut the rubber off it with a Sawzall. It's probably aluminum. So yeah, let's grab it. Why not? What's that?
It's got some weight.
Yeah, worst case scenario, it's got some weight. Yep. What is it? It's a steamer, huh?
Yeah. Might be what from.
Oh, yeah, that's fine. And I bet you this is probably just another steamer. You know what I mean? Like oh hell, put it all back in there. Let's take this whole thing. Throw that out in the garage sale for $1. Maybe. Well, as you can tell, it's raining outside, but we're seeing a bunch of Christmas boxes here. Empty. Yeah, they're all empty. Yeah, grab it quick. Yep. Oh. Whoops, sorry. Didn't mean to back into you. Oh, look at that. Nice copper. Sweet. I do actually. We could probably sell that. Unreal. This is a huge score. I just don't know if we got room for it. That is old. You know you want to. Whew. All right, looking good in the hood. All right. Oh shit, here. Okay. Full again. He's back there putting in a Hoover vacuum cleaner and a oscillating heater. I think we're full. It's time to go home. Well, everyone, I hope you really enjoyed this video. We are making multiple trips to Geneseo this week for their citywide cleanout. I've got a lot of good footage to show you coming up in the next few days. So stay tuned for that. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will definitely see you at the next dumpster. Take care, everybody. Have a great day.